In the past, I've made a number of costumes and accessories, but after last year's asylum, I decided that my next project should be something that actually made life a little easier. And I thought, what problems do I have when I'm at the asylum? And I thought, well, one big problem I have is I don't know what time it is. Now, I don't want to wear a vanilla wristwatch. I've got a fob watch, but it's always a bit of a palaver getting it out when I'm in full costume. So I decided to make a wristwatch. So I've made this device, which is largely made with 3D printing on a leather bracer, which I also learned how to make. And it has a control dial, which I will turn on, at which point the device automatically shows the correct time. I'll put it into a demo mode. So it's operated by a servo located inside the boiler. It's got a genuine lost motion gear to operate the hour dial, and it also has an alarm feature which is operated by hand. I can set an alarm time. And I thought, well, what sort of alarm do I want to go off? As a Cthulhu's Witness, I thought, well, when we reach the alarm time, well, that clearly means the stars are right. So when the stars are right, Cthulhu makes an appearance. It's all controlled by electronics in this part here. I was going to use an Arduino, decided that wasn't powerful enough, then decided to use a Blue Pill, realised that wouldn't actually fit in there once I put it on a printed circuit board, so I ended up making a full custom printed circuit board which duplicates the Blue Pill circuitry and also has the necessary additional electronics to make everything work. It's using a purchased MP3 module, playing sounds that are on this card, and to avoid needing to put in a user interface to set the time, I've actually put in a GPS receiver right here that is used purely for getting the correct time over the ether. The whole thing is operated from a USB power bank, which I've painted to look somewhat like a steampunk cylinder, and should get quite a few hours of operation out of that. And of course I've got a dial on the side which I bought from Steamhead. Thank you for looking.